is truly humbling. I have been fortunate to be part of PARI family since 1977. And through the years, I have seen how much the industry has grown. As an active member of the board, it's been a privilege to work alongside with so many passionate individuals who have contributed to the music industry. Thank you to the Awit Awards for this incredible honor, and to my fellow colleagues, friends, and everyone in the music industry. Your support has been the world to me. While I'm not here tonight with you, I'm celebrating this moment with all of you in spirit. Maraming salamat po.
Hanggang ngayon, di pa rin namin ma-digest na ganito na kalayo yung narating namin at ng music namin. Nakabahan ako, nanginginig yung tuhod ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Awit at Pari. Maraming salamat sa award na to. Maraming salamat kay Sean, sa producer namin. Maraming salamat sa Warner Music family. Salamat sa pananawala sa amin. At maraming salamat kay Lord. And thank you guys sa mga kabanda ko. Ikaw ba yung welcome. Rock and roll!
Thank you, of course, Awit Award for this. Medyo we had no idea, like really. Thank you, Sony. Thank you, our whole Ben and Ben family. Thank you to all of the Liwanag who listen to us, and everyone who still, believes in our message and loves our music. We're just really a bunch of friends that like making music together. So for you to believe in us like this for all of these years. 7 years na kami. If we were a child, we'd be in grade school or primary school. Medyo solid. Ganun na siya katangkad ngayon. So thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Gary Valenciano, as the executive producer of the song Walang Kumakalakpak, I'd like to congratulate Glock 9 and Gary Valenciano for this award. Gary Valenciano couldn't make it tonight, and he specifically sent a message for me to read to all of you. Here goes. This year has been one amazing year for me, and just when I thought the year was done, this happens. Thank you to all who made up the Awit Awards for believing in the message behind this masterpiece that Glock 9 wrote. So many in the world today seek affirmation, confirmation, and appreciation for the hard and passionate work they do, but oftentimes none of these are ever given. Thank you to Universal Records for the many years you've stood by me. Next year is lahat.
Maraming salamat, Awit Awards, Pari, Funky Beat Entertainment, Backspacer Records, sa aming musical director and composer Francis De Vera, sa aming manager Madam Gemma De Vera, kasama ng aming buong pamilya, ng Uncle Bob's Funky 7 Club. Magpapasalamat po kami sa inyong lahat at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Mabuhay. Kinakabahan ako. Ayoko maiyak. First time po at hindi ko po akalain na ako po yung mapipili. Maraming salamat Awit Awards. Thank you po. Sobra. Naiiyak ako, nanginginig din. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Okay lang po ba? May kopya tonight. Kasi, na-speechless po ako ngayong gabi. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat. Nais ko po malaman nyo na sobrang saya po ng puso ko na makatanggap po ng ganitong recognition and best performance by a new solo artist.
Of course, we would like to thank Awit Awards for this award po, and our Sony Music family. And of course, 1Z Entertainment, thank you so much po. Of course, sa mga brothers, guys, thank you for the hard work, for everything. Kailangan lang po gusto mo na kasama kay God for giving us the strength every day to do our best sa lahat ng gusto namin gawin. And for our fans 18, maraming salamat po. Hindi naman po namin nakaabot ang lahat ng ito kung hindi po dahil sa support at pagmamahal niya. Maraming salamat. And to all the people na nag-root po sa amin until now, maraming salamat po, and mag-get po tayo hanggang kailan niya po natin gusto. Maraming salamat po.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank the Lord God for this early Christmas gift. And also, I'd like to share this award to sa lumikha ng kantang Letting You Go, si Ian Tan. Ian, ito na. And also, I'd like to thank White Scoop, my family, White Scoop Entertainment. Right here, Sir Vic, Sir Neil, and of course, kay Amy, yung aking voice coach. Thank you, Amy, and also to the Joey G team, my wife and my kids. Thank you for your love and.
I would like to thank his fans and supporters for sharing this whole journey with him. Thank you so much, Awit and Pari. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Awit Awards, for giving me this one. Thank you so much sa lahat, sa mga nakasuporta sa music ko, at sa lahat ng mga co-artists ko na nandito. I just want to say na music is never a competition. Seeing these talent inside this room, what can I say? OPM won.
Meow Meow, together with Island Record Philippines, UMG Philippines, and everyone who has collaborated on this beautiful track, I would like to accept this on behalf of Juan Carlos and Paolo Benjamin. Thank you.
First off, maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nakikinig ng music natin. I know sa lahat naman po ng artist ginagawa natin ito kasi mahal na mahal natin yung musika. Pero iba pa rin po yung feeling na nakikita natin yung mga taga-suporta natin, inaawit yung music na pinaghirapan natin kasi nararamdaman natin kung ano yung mensahe, na nakaka-relate sila, na talagang tumatago sa kanila at nagiging inspirasyon din sila sa ibang tao. So, to be recognized dun sa mga ginagawa natin, sobrang nakakataba po ng puso. Alam ko, gusto ko lang din sabihin na mabuhay lahat ng artists na dito ngayon na gumagawa ng musika, mabuhay din natin dito. Sa lahat po ng mga nakatulong namin sa pag-produce, ang kapatid ko si Josue, si Simon, 1Z Entertainment na talagang binibid namin from the very start, Sony Music Philippines, maraming salamat. Talagang nagtiwala sa amin from the very beginning. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening everyone. To Patty, where my dad was president for 27 years, to the Awit Awards that he revived back in 1984. Sa bahay, pag ginawa yung planning ng Awit Awards then I remember that and I was in high school. And it's a great homecoming in a way to be back. My old colleagues at Universal Records, the bands that I signed, Parokya, the bands I'm working with, Greyhounds. You know, when my dad and Patty brought back the Awit Awards in 1984, ironically, he won an Awit Award that year. So like 40 years later, I'm receiving this Lifetime Achievement Award on his behalf. And to my old boss, Ramon Chain, I wish Beletan were here. I miss you, ma'am. I regret leaving Universal. Peter, thank you. But my dad really loved the music industry, championed OPM, fought for airplay on radio. He really fought for
This is really incredible for me because I just moved here from New York last year, and to be receiving an award like this from the Awit Awards, I would like to thank everybody who's part of this wonderful event and award organizers. And also, I'd like to thank mga kababayan ko po sa Quezon na sumusuporta sa akin and pagbubutin ko po ang career ko dito, and I hope you guys we'll see more of it next year. Thank you so much.
And of course, Bamboo. We would like to thank the voters for this, and we'd also like to thank Bamboo's management and of course Fever Records for this opportunity and the wonderful project. Thank you.
Stage we are in right now, if it wasn't for them, and of course Star Music, and to Ms. Aika Villanueva, our visual director, and of course our management, ABS-CBN Corporation. Thank you so much, and we hope that magustuhan niyo yung bagong music video namin next year. And thank you to the Blooms for voting for us.
Hi, we are Gini.
Good evening po. Good evening po. Thank you so much, Awit Awards, for this incredible Breakthrough Award. Ito pong year na to I filled with love, blessings, and unwavering support. And sobrang grateful po namin sa lahat ng bagay, and let's all continue po to break barriers and showcase Filipino music to the world. Mabuhay ang OPM!
With awards, it really warms our heart receiving this. And to everyone who voted, to our Blooms, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin, maraming salamat po. Sa Star Music, yes, thank you so much. And nandiyan po sila. Grabe, nakakapagpapala talaga dito. Sobrang grateful po kami for this award. Let's continue to support and inspire each and every one. Thank you.
Miss Bel Mariano. Thank you sa lahat na bumoto for this album. Gusto lang yung pasalamatan lahat ng composers ng album ni Bel. Trisha Denise, Jessica, and Angelica Tagatan. This is for you, Bel Mariano. Congratulations.
I don't have a microphone. Okay. Good evening, everyone! Okay, I really didn't expect this. Really didn't expect this award. Well, thank you so much, Awit Awards, Pari, for this recognition. It is such an honor. To my Star Music family, thank you so much. To my manager, my partner, Melody Gia, thank you so much. And of course, to my co-artist, producer, Troy Loretta, for making this collaboration very possible. Collaborating with the original singer of the song, Coming Out of the Rain, Miss Wendy Moten. Guys, this is our award, and I share this award to all of you. And to Wendy Moten and Troy Loretta, thank you, and God bless you. To God be the glory. Daghan kaayo, salamat.
Thank you, Awit. Thank you, Patty, for this award. We also like to thank our label, Warner, for all the support. They really took us through that long year last year. And other than that, we want to thank our friends and family who have always been supporting us. And of course, the members of the band who are not with us anymore. We wouldn't get here if they never chased this dream with us. So thank you. And Mika, of course, our manager.
Woo! Tapos ang SB19. Pero syempre po, this was my first baby. Debut music video ko siya at single before. So I'm very proud kasi natalo niya ang Gento at saka I Want You. So bawi na lang next time, boys! Maraming salamat po syempre, of course, to Yumi Us Manila for making my visions come to life. Meron din ba kayo gusto sabihin?
Thank you, Awit Awards, Pari, and to my team, Yumi Us Manila. Saan ito?
Yes, maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang OPM at P-Pop. Let's go.
My artists, Glock 9 and Thea, salamat. Salamat sa mga kabanda ko. Sa lahat ng sumuporta sa Greyhounds for the past 27 years. My family and friends, at saka yung mga tropa ko dito, yung mga nominees namin, mga barkada rin namin sila. So, sa atin to, man, to my company wide. Hello. Kakayaan sila. Trivia lang, band ng Greyhounds sa Music Museum. mula noong 2000. So salamat Awit Awards, mga katutulog kami ulit. Thank you!
Ito, nanginginig ako at naiiyak. So, ito yung song sa first EP ko na super precious para sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Awit and Barry. Thank you for this recognition. Thank you to Sony and my Sony Music family. Thank you, Brian Lotto, yung nag-produce ng song na to. And maraming salamat din sa family ko, sa supporters ko, sa siblings. Thank you sa patuloy na pag-suporta sa music ko. Thank you, Awit.
To humbly accept this honor on behalf of Juan Carlos, who, if he were here, he would say, medyo weird to, pero he's truly grateful for everyone's support. Thank you.
At recording dito sa Pilipinas. Music will always be a part of my life because after all, what is life without music? Muli ay nagpapasalamat po ako sa officers ng PARI at sa bumubuo ng Awit Awards for giving me this award. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Gusto ko sanang magkwento rin ng konti. Kami po yung Moroccan ni Edgar and nangyari sa kanila, lagi nangyayari sa akin. So, parang, ako lang yan. We'd like to thank everybody, especially you, our family, and sa lahat ng mga nakinig sa amin, tsaka sa mga kasabayan namin mga banda. Isang party lang talaga siya mula ng 90s, and para sa inyo to actually, and salamat. Vince,
nandito ako kasi baka may...
A year ago, I remember having a conversation with Pio. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabayan mo na ako, let's leave our day jobs. Let's go music all the way na. And fast forward to now, I guess it was worth it, brother. Let's go! Thank you, Pio. Thank you, Awit Awards.
Ago, me and my bandmates were just sitting there and we were talking, and we really thought we would not win one award today. So we're just so thankful for all the love and for our song. And I'd just like to thank Raymond, who led the band. He was a big part of writing this song. I'd like to thank our sound engineer, Sir Rene Serna. I'd like to thank our mixing engineer, Joel Corpus. I'd like to thank our mastering engineer, Jet Galindo, and all of our tech, Andrel, Jom, Jojo, Ever, Joseph, and Christian. Yes, thank you so much. And our RMs, Peter, and Gaz, and Mika, I love you. Thank you, Warner.
Maraming salamat, Awit Awards. Inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga tao dito. Salamat sa mga kaibigan, sa OC. Siyempre sa kasama ko nagbuo ng album, Emil De La Rosa, Gabi G, Wendell Garcia, maraming salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa suporta at sa pagbibigay halaga sa ginagawa namin. Salamat.